Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. I'm your host, Mr. Fireboy, aka Periwinkle Blue, and this is another episode of nice bit of kit that is freezing as hell. So you know, no time to waste. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna go around, come back, and you already know what we do. Oh, and he's back. Oh, let me give you a little preview while I button up, you know, close up of the old goodness while I button up. Let me just button this shit up, my guys and girls. I know there's not many girls who watch this, but it is freezing as hell. Anyway, we're gonna get into this real quick and then, you know, keep it real moving. Pardon all the sniffling that you hear, you know, it's not the sherbet, it is the cold. Okay guys, here, little bit of twirl to the RJ, give you the little twirl RJ. So today we have this Paul and Shark Corduroy overshirt. As you can see, resplendent in the old forest of green. Let's get into it. Let's start with the cuffages. Left cuff, right cuff. As you can see, equilibrium's a beautiful thing, and the cuffages are identical. Not identical, identical. So you have these nice corduroy cuffs with the old buttons right there. Nothing too crazy. Nice bit of room in there. It's the perfect room, really, I would say, for a cuff. You know, there's no tapering going on, so you just got that nice sort of fitted, tapered cuff, which is beautiful. Obviously you've got your nice little pleats there which lead on to the main body of the armage, and I will step back. As you can see, you have left hand side, right hand side. I move closer, you see the left hand side has this beautiful pocket which I will open now, I believe for the first time, because I've never worn this shirt. Open this and put my hand in. Oh well, first of all, that feels super warm, very soft as well. Look at that, you can see the gradients and all that. Very soft, super warm. And in there you can definitely put a few bars of gold. I'm not even fronting, a few bars of gold. You're not going to get your skis in there, but a few bars of gold and possibly a little flower pot, you know, as it's green for green, if you know what I mean. God, I don't even know what I mean, but you know what I mean. Say no more. Anyway, right hand side, equilibrium, say not a beautiful thing, and there isn't a pocket there, but that's fine. Really dope. The softness of touch of this garment is crazy. Really soft to the touch, really nice buttons. It's simple, nothing much to say. You know, you've got your collar right here which has a button, as you can see, so you can button collar up if you're that way inclined. Just show you there, button collar up. Nice overshirt collar, really nice. So now you're smart, you're looking good, everything's gravy. What more do you want? I'm just gonna make sure. So yeah guys, here we go, a nice green overshirt by Paul and Shark. Obviously 100% cotton, as you do. Got the labels on, as you can see right there. You got the labels right there, you know what I mean? Inside you got all the little bits that tell you all about the old sharkage and the paulage, register your garment, etc. So yeah, very nice. Now guys, since we're on the old Paul and Shark, I might as well go into the next nice bit of kit, which is this lovely nice Paul and Shark baseball cap right here. I'm just going to lift this up a little bit so we can see what we are getting into. As you can see guys, I have this nice navy Paul and Shark with raised embroidery. So if you feel that, it's very raised. And as you can see, it's Paul and Shark Yachting classic navy blue baseball cap. I'll take it off the hat. As you can see, you got the metal fastener right there which says Paul and Shark right there. Inside you have your Paul and Shark label plus care label, etc. Not really much else to say other than really nice piece, you know, fits the head warm, nice and stylish, stylized, simple, nothing too crazy. Gotta love it. Give you a left hand side view, give you a right hand side view, little back view. What more do you want? Really dope piece. Now since we're on a little Paul and Shark day, might as well go full throttle, and let me just make sure I've got this correctly, guys. Please excuse my adjustment of the cameras while on the job, but you know, if I don't do it now, when am I going to do it? All right, so since we're Paul and Sharking, let me go for the final full throttle. I'm just going to run around the corner, come back. Oh shit, he's back. Yeah, I'm back. Here we go, the final piece, guys. This is a Paul and Shark. Let me just give you a little thing so you can see a Paul and Shark Gilet woven vest, as they have demarked it, shall I say. Now this is in a sort of grey, it kind of has that sort of, let me show you, not iridescent, but this sort of changes a little bit in the light to a sun to a brownish kind of colour. So let's get into it. I'm gonna zip up and then we will get into it. Okay, so before we get into it, let's go into the details. So this is a Paul and Shark 130 degrees high density. By using sustainable raw materials and technologies that increase efficiency in water and energy consumption, Paul and Shark honors its commitment to reduce its environmental footprint. So that's what that's all about. And this is a woven vest, and it has EMW protection. Now you're thinking, what the fuck is EMW protection? Well, it has a mobile phone pocket, said pocket right here, and the EMW protection says the mobile phone pocket is lined with metal alloy fabric. The intrinsic properties of this metal create shield against the electromagnetic waves on your mobile phone. Well, excusez-moi, not only is it clothing, it's tech clothing. So this pocket here, you put your dog and bone in. Let me take my dog and bone out. Here's a dog and bone. You put it in here, boom, zip up, voila. Now this stops all the electromagnetic waves getting to your heart and, you know, causing murmurs, and you know, it's quite important actually, especially if you do have sort of heart murmurs and things like that. So I like that tech is going forward with this thing. Let's get into it. All right, guys, we have this nice waistcoat which comes just above the waist right there, as you can see, really nice. Let's go left hand side, right hand side. You have two side pockets right there, as you can see. So you have that side pocket right there, which is let's just lower this a little bit so we can see. You have this side pocket right here, which is demarked by this zip right here, which is very nice, and that is a Paul and Shark zipper right there, as you can see, little shark icon there, pardon the dry hands. So that goes right down like that, boom. Let me just see if it's a YKK zipper. It doesn't say, but it's got the Paul and Shark logo on it. Of course, equilibrium is a beautiful thing, and you have the same on the other side. Perfect for walking down the street with your hands in your skyrocket. Excellent. So let's zip these up and move on to the other pockets. So now, left hand side, right hand side, you have two pockets fastened by two Velcro strips right there, and the same on the other side. Now this isn't really great because, as you can see, for how they're not for putting your hands in the pocket, because you have these side pockets for that. These are for putting, I would definitely put a few bars of gold, couple pairs of trainers, maybe my suitcase in this one for when I'm going on holiday. Put them down flat, nice and smooth, good to go. No problematicals, none whatsoever. Let me just give you a little twirlage right there, and I'm going to move up just so you can see me. I know you don't want to see my lower half all day, you know what I'm saying? Okay, that's me. So now we are on the top half. On the top half, like I mentioned before, we have this mobile phone pocket, which is EMW'd. Basically, electromagnetic field goes in this pocket. Let's have a look in that pocket. Ooh, dry cleaning, reminds me I've got to pick up my daughter's dry cleaning. So let me just pull this out. So this pocket saves us, basically. It saves us from heart murmurs and all kinds of things. Really nice. Nothing else other than a dog goes in there. Dog and bone, that is. Dog and bone phone. Okay, cool. You have this nice zip strip which goes all the way up. It's not covered, it's just a zip. And on the zip you have once again, you have the Paul and Shark logo there. And then you have this nice zip pull which says 130 degrees high density. Some people might take this off, not me, because I'm from the school of hip hop where you wear tags, and I'm also from the school of garage where you wear tags, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that is very nice. Of course, let's move further up. It's a gradiator. You've got this nice collar here, which if you see zips all the way up like that. That gives you that neck protection right there. So it gives you that nice neck protection right there. Of course, you're only going to wear it like this on days like today where it's freezing as hell, so this is how you would wear it. But in other times where you're being stylish, you just fold this down. You got that nice sort of I'm not even sure what material that is. Let's call it faux fur. It's not fur, but we'll call it that for now, which allows you to fold down, you know, and sort of be stylish while being stylish. So as you can see, nice bit of pull and charcage right there, pull and charcage right there, and a little bit of pull and charcage right there. So today we are P&S it out, you know what I'm saying? Let me just give you the final toilage and you can see what's good. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed all three pieces. It's a quick run through. I thought I'd do brand unification today, hence the three pieces from the same brand. Guys, it's really cold out here, so yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you're all well. Please let me know your thoughts down below. As always, guys, stay fly, stay dope. Remember, it's not about the clothes, it's about the person inside them. So guys, do the best that you can do and continue to smile, and you know, as long as you're happy, every day is a blessing. So yeah, let's do this, gang. As you already know what it is, Phineas the Fireboy, aka Periwinkle Blue, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Mad love, we love you. Peace. Words.